this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable Quick Note from corner on the MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! MacOS Monterey introduced an easy way to jot down your talk in Apple Notes using a new hot corner shortcut. But if you use different note-taking app or you find yourself triggering the feature by accident, you can modify or disable it. So how to do it? On my previous video, I showed you how to set up your hot corner. But now, what if you want to disable it, especially for the quick notes on your hot corner? If you've updated your macOS to macOS Monterey or later, the quick notes hot corner can be triggered by placing your cursor in the bottom right corner on the screen. So to disable it or to unactivate this feature, this quick note, you can just open your system preferences. Now you can go to desktop and screensaver. You can click on it. You can go to screensaver section by click on screensaver and you'll find there is an option hot corner. You can just click on that. And you'll find here's the setup for my hot corner on my MacBook. If you want to disable it, you can just choose here for the strip, so the quick note won't be appear when you place your cursor to the bottom right of your MacBook screen. And if you want to disable for all the hot corner on your MacBook, you can just set this like this. After that, you can just click on OK. So now you have disabled your quick note from your bottom right here on your MacBook. As you can see, when I put my cursor to this bottom right corner, the quick note won't be appear. So that is how to disable quick note from your bottom right corner on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!